Today discuss about once again integration, mathematics 2b. Last class completed integration definition and differentiation formulas. Today class discuss about formulas of integration. First formula, integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Here c is the integral constant. Integral x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Integral x square dx is equal to x cube plus x cube by 3 plus c. Similarly, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. What is the integration of x power 9? X power 9 integration is x power 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 1, nothing but x power 10 by 10. Similarly do that in this formula, very important formula. This is integration x power n formula. Next, integral e power x is e power x plus c. Integral 1 by x is log x base e plus c. Integral a power x into dx is equal to a power x by log a base e plus c. What is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. What is the integration of a power x? A power x by log a base e. Next, integral sin x dx, trigonometry, goes to trigonometry functions. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Next, integral secant x into tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Integral cosecant x into cot x into dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. But what is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x we can solve next topic, that is substitution method topic. That topic you can explain the integral tan x and integral cot x and integral secant x and integral cosecant x. Next, this total trigonometry functions. After that, inverse trigonometry functions. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. Already you know that tan inverse x integration 1 by 1 plus x square, cot inverse x integration minus 1 by 1 plus x square. After that you go to secant. Integral 1 by mod x into square root of x square minus 1 having two values. One is secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. This is inverse trigonometry functions. After that you goes to hyperbolic. Integral sin hx dx is equal to cos hx plus c. Integral cos hx dx is equal to sin hx plus c. Integral secant h square x dx is equal to tan hx plus c. Integral cosecant h square x dx is equal to minus cot hx plus c. Integral secant hx into tan hx into dx is equal to secant hx plus c. Here minus secant hx plus c. Integral cosecant hx into cot hx dx is equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. these are hyperbolic functions integration parts. After that inverse hyperbolic functions. Inverse hyperbolic functions, derivative of sin h inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 plus x square. Similarly, integration of 1 by square root of 1 plus x square dx is equal to sin h inverse x plus c or log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 plus c. You can write any one formula. Next, integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to cos h inverse x plus c or log of x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus c. After that, you go to integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equal to tan h inverse x plus c or cot h inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by mod x into square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to minus secant h inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by mod x into square root of 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus cosecant h inverse x plus c. These are the formulas of integration by using derivative formulas. After that, integral, here f of x comma g of x are any two functions. Then what is the integration of f of x plus g of x? Here integration of f of x plus g of x nothing but separate integration of two function, integration of f of x dx and integration of g of x dx. Here subtracted, you can write plus plus minus minus. After that, integration of some constant into function. Here derivative also be there in this formula. Derivative constant is there, that constant can be common. Here also be constant k is common. You get integration on f of x dx. Integration of alpha into f of x plus beta into g of x. In this model, you can write alpha is constant, integral f of x dx, plus beta is constant, integral g of x dx plus c. You can write plus c after last. Plus c is here integral constant. This is the formulas of integration. Exercise 6a. Exercise 6a, you have to take one example, any one problem. Integral x plus 1 by x plus e power x dx is equal to evaluate integral x plus 1 by x plus e power x dx is equal to. Here you can write here how many functions is there? 3 functions is there. The relation between these 3 functions is addition. You can write separate integration each function, integral x dx plus integral 1 by x dx plus integral e power x dx. After that, integral x dx nothing but x square by 2 plus integral 1 by x dx nothing but log x plus integral e power x nothing but e power x last को plus c, x square by 2 plus c log x by base e plus c e power x plus c. You can write total 1 plus c, that is integral constant. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square 1 by square root of x square minus 1 all dx. What is the evaluate this question? Once again separated two functions, integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx plus integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Here integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square nothing but sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. You can write any one formula. I can write here sine inverse x. Integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 is cos h inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus cos h inverse x plus c. This is a direct formulas. In this exercise you can use direct formulas. Here one more formula, integral a power x plus 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 minus x square all dx. What is this formula? This problem answer integral a power x dx plus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx. Here what is the integration of a power x? A power x by log a base c plus what is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c plus what is the integration of 1 by 1 minus x square? Tan h inverse x plus c or cot h inverse x plus c. This can be one more answer can be right a power x by log a base c plus minus cot inverse x plus cot h inverse x plus c. You can write in these two answers any one answer you get correct one. Here next assignment problems. Integral x power 1 by 2 plus e power x plus 1 by x all dx. Here this first function you can use x power in formula, second one direct formula, third function also be direct formula. Next question, this is first one, second one, integral 5 by square root of 1 minus x square plus 2 by square root of 1 plus x square all dx. After that you can write here 5 common, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square nothing but sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. 1 by square root of 1 plus x square nothing but sin h inverse x or log of x plus 1 plus x, log of x plus square root of 1 plus x square. This is the second one, this one is the first one. Third one is integral 1 by 2 by x plus sin x plus 5 secant square x dx. Here you can common here 2 common, 1 by x integration is log x, sin x integration is minus cos x, secant square integration is tan x. You can write these three formulas are homework or assignment problems. Next class discuss exercise 6a total problems and next substitution method of integration chapter.